Hi, I'm Honeylights, in case you didn't know. And by the time I'm posting this video, it's probably my birthday. So to 15-year-old me, who's about to post this, happy birthday! So, get to know me. Yeah, I'm gonna answer your questions. Okay, so the first question I got was, what's your real name, and if you ever had a chance to change it, would you? Okay, so my real name is Ruwaina, and I wouldn't change it honestly because it's a unique name and I kind of just really like that. How old are you and what grade are you in? So by the time you're watching this, I'm probably 15, but me as of the one recording it is still 14, and I'm a 10th grader. Where do you come from, or what's your nationality? It's actually one of the most asked questions. So I'm Egyptian. I come from Egypt. What's your height and what's your shoe size? By the way, I really love you. I love you too, but I feel like these are kind of really personal questions. I'm actually 5'1", 157 centimeters. But when it comes to my shoe size, I don't even think I know. The last time I've actually bought like new shoes was a really long while ago because it's mostly like my family gifts me those, so I don't know what my shoe size is. I've never really cared to know. What's your personality type? Okay, so I hope I understand this question correctly. If so, I'm actually an INFJ, but I did this test like 6 months ago and my personality kind of changed a lot. But yeah. When did he start playing Roblox, and when did he start animating? And I love you so much. Okay, so first things first, I love you too. Second thing, I started playing Roblox in 2016, December 2016 to be specific. And I started animating quite a long time ago, like 2 years ago I think. But I used to animate like really simple animations like intros and stuff, but I really took it seriously October 2020. Basically when I made this Halloween animation, if you guys remember it. You're my idol and I really hope this question doesn't make you uncomfortable. Will you ever do a face reveal? If so, when? Honestly, I'm really happy to be your idol and I really do want to make a face reveal. I want you guys to get to know me on like a deeper level. But the problem lies here. I don't have that many photos and videos of myself. I hardly ever have any. So it just would be really weird if I just like all of a sudden, guys, here's me, and then I just stop posting like anything about myself. I don't know, it just feels kind of random. So hi, oh my god, I'm very impressed with your amazing videos. How did you get to where you are right now? Thank you so much, honestly. Oh my god. How did I get to where I am? I don't know because I wasn't active. I didn't even post every day, nor was I posting frequently. You guys got me here. How did I get here? I don't know. I feel like it was all just kind of luck. Really would say focus on Instagram Reels and TikTok because these really skyrocketed me. And I believe in you guys. So yeah. Really sorry I couldn't really give much information because I actually don't have any. So yeah, I'm really thankful. What do you do when you're sad, and do you have any other games that you play besides Roblox? When I'm sad, I either write or just play Valorant, which answers your second question. How did you discover GFX and when did you start making them? Okay, so I started making GFX in I think somewhere around July 2019. How did I discover it? I think it was just a recommended video on my YouTube and I kind of got curious on what that was. But I think it was just kind of something like that. Happy early birthday! And question, do you mostly learn animations yourself or from YouTube? Completely by myself. I don't really know any other channels that like make especially Roblox animating tutorials. Maybe if I want to like learn something like how to make a curtain move or something, I'll probably learn it from like a video. But most of like the usual stuff is by me just messing around with the settings. So yeah, I kind of hope that answers the question. Did you ever own any pets? And if so, what did you own? So actually I did own 8 turtles. Yeah, they all have their own stories. Like one of them passed away because of ants. Ants ate her. I still don't know how. The second one, she just ran away from home. It's a really long story. I don't think I can get to it. The third one was really fast. Like, really freaking fast. That was not a turtle. So, yeah. How do you always get inspired to do more? Honestly, I feel like it's because of you guys. Like, the only reason I'm actually continuing in animating is because of you guys and your support, because it really does mean a lot to me and it makes me feel really nice. I don't know. Your guys' love is the sweetest thing ever. So, yeah, other than that, there's nothing really that keeps me going. Yeah, I love you guys so much. When did you actually start GFX and what's your favorite song? So I think I replied to the first question in the beginning of the video, but I started GFX July 2019, I think. What's my favorite song? Currently stuck on Attracted to You by Pink Pantherness. I'll show you guys other songs that I really like. Some of them are Arabic, yeah. What's your favorite animation that you made? Who are your role models? How old are you? And do you have any siblings? Favorite colors? JJ. Thank you so much for all these questions, JJ. My favorite animation, probably this one. It's not the latest, but I just really like its vibe, honestly. Who are your role models? My answer may sound weird, but I actually don't think I have any. How old are you? Well, I'm currently 15 actually. I'm recording this on my birthday. So, yeah. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I actually do. I have 2 older brothers and I'm the youngest. So, yeah. My favorite colors, probably yellow, blue, and purple. But like, honestly, only certain shades. Just like how I really like sage green. But gosh, do I hate the color green itself. What inspired you to make your TikTok animations? Honestly, I was animating way before I entered TikTok. I think like with 6 months before it. But one of my friends, he's called Eliseo. I really hope that's how his name's pronounced. He told me that he thinks that if I join TikTok, I'll probably go viral. In which I did end up going viral, so he was not wrong. So yeah, he kind of was the reason I started TikTok. And I'm really thankful for you, Eliseo. Thank you! So yeah. How do you come up with your GFX ideas? Honestly, GFXs, I don't really remember where I got my ideas from, but it was just me moving the character to like a certain position. It was pretty random. So I feel like that's that. I got a lot of questions. I tried to answer as much as I possibly could. I'm just happy you guys are here with me in this journey. And I'm just really thankful to each and every one of you for being here with me ever since I was 12 and now I'm 15. You guys literally grew up with me. Wow, thank you all so much. I love you guys and I hope you guys have a great day.